Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki jan jong pi kin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban lagu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban shukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, arn riwe khandai pra.
Menteri Ketenaga Puli Putih ke Sarkar Jelau rakam sama hak seputrik naitung arja apulai ulai thu bagidan palak khat aspak Thylli ki pos Nonghikai ki balai Thylli hagi government lower primary school hak Jelau berkuai hak jinga kram bigla pathai khubor sangma ulong hak Jelau kaladan mentah yek samla puli ki bala pendap yek exam MTET batsyan ke Sarkar ke satung kamno bajak advertisement konsep benda hak khat sautrik naitung arja apulai.
For April and May, we have released the salary of associate teacher from the what you call capping grant of the state government, and I think the ministry is yet to release the first installment from the ministry. I think we are expecting any time from now. So I think till December till December or November, we will be able to clear the salary of associate teacher, most likely in every month. I forgot the months, but we have enough for 2 months. I think once the ministry release for the last 3 months and the first installment of the SSA fund, the government of India, we then as soon as the remaining 1 month and the next, and there should not be any issue for next 4-5 months for the salary. Huge. Even the small calculator will not able to accommodate the figure, right? It's a huge burden. But I'm saying we are working out. Let's find out way first. Then we'll let you know what step can be taken. Once the advertisement is plotted out, it will not take time. We will try to finish all this process in maximum 2 months. Maybe we even try to finish before 15 August also. But I don't know. Let's work out it as possible. But we will finish all the process. We'll complete all the process in the next 2 months.